What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. So today we have a little treat for you guys. I have something from Shine Armor. They sent me a bottle of something. I don't know exactly what it is, but we're gonna check it out together. And I think instead of worrying about the Evo 10 or the Evo 8 or the STI or the Evo 5 or the GTR, I think what we're gonna do it on is the wife's Mercedes. The wife's Mercedes. I have never given that thing any kind of love, and today I want to actually see if we can actually get this thing to go and see how it kind of goes. And yeah, so let's open up this package. Let's see what we got. All right, so here we go. I have a bunch of towels. They're new graphene ceramic spray. So I've never heard of this stuff, graphene, until a couple days ago, and I was looking at their website and saw that they had this, and it was pretty cool. Like I said before, I didn't know what they were gonna send me, but this is pretty awesome. Hopefully it's as easy as it looks. So let me read the directions real quick. I know this is a car thing, and you don't really read directions, but I want to make sure I get this right. So give me 1 second. All right, this graphene stuff, this graphene ceramic spray is pretty simple. Spray onto a microfiber towel, wipe it onto the paint, let it fully covered, get it fully covered, and then allow it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes, buff off to a high shine with a microfiber towel. Allow 4 hours to cure before exposing to the elements. So, I think what I'm gonna do here, since I do have this, and I did actually bring this with me as well. I think I'm gonna put some gloves on because I don't want to have this stuff directly on my skin. So I would suggest that. And the car is actually already washed and dried, ready to go, in preparation for this, because I knew it was gonna be some type of spray. I didn't know exactly what type of spray it was gonna be. So yeah, I think what we're gonna do is it's just chilling outside. It's not in direct sunlight, so which is good. It is in the shade over here, as you can tell. And yeah, we're just gonna see if this stuff is gonna actually do anything. So hopefully this gives me some type of protection is what I'm hoping for. It doesn't really say exactly how long this protection lasts, but I don't know. I'll give it a couple weeks, and then at least a week. We'll give it a week, solid week, before I actually make a determination on whether this stuff is really good. But yeah, let's try it, let's apply it, and we'll go from there. All right, so super nice. I have my gloves on, I have my Shine Armor, and their towels actually have Shine. They're actually branded Shine Armor, which is pretty dope. So simple. Oh, you gotta turn it on. Super simple. You just apply it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one panel at a time, and then I'm gonna come back and actually report back to you. I'm gonna use, I don't know, a good amount of this. I'm gonna just do this one car and then see what the result is. Like I said before, fully cure is 4 hours, so I'm gonna get back to you after I get done with the whole car, and then we'll just go from there. So like I said, after every panel, 1 to 2 minutes, and yeah, you could just wipe it off. So yeah, let's keep it going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so there you have it. I'm gonna let this thing cure for at least 4 hours, and I'm gonna put this bad boy in the garage. Like I said, it was freshly washed. We put this stuff on it, and the ceramic stuff, graphene from Shine Armor, and honestly, it looks really good. I had some issues with some streaking, but yeah, we kind of resolved those. So had to go back and get it done super quick within that 2 to 3 minute window while it was still kind of a little bit wet, but it looks good nonetheless. So I'm gonna let this thing cure for 3-4 hours, like I said before, and then we'll come back in a week. So today is Wednesday, and next Wednesday we'll come back and we'll see. Holy crap, the sun. Next Wednesday we'll come back and see if it's a nice day. We'll wash the car and see if this thing beads up. So hopefully it does, because this car definitely is, it's still a good looking car. It's still good, still runs good, and I just did some work to it. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I can. See you in a minute. All right, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so it has been about, today's Friday, so a week and a half of protection here. It is overcast, so we are we're gonna check this bad boy out, and you can tell I don't want to go too much, but hopefully what we're gonna do here is quick wash the car. Actually, I'm probably not even gonna wash the car yet. I'm just going to spray it down to see if this thing actually has any protection. Yes. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Yeah. Okay. 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 So I am very happy. I'm very happy with the way it is. So I'm telling you what right now. So me and Danielle, we're gonna actually wash this car. So I'm definitely impressed by this. So pick yourself up some of this stuff here. If you use my code RNapoleon, you can get yourself 20% off. But this stuff is definitely worth it. It's like